Hi folks, right, I just had to reply to a message to a friend. Let's put you back on the big screen, hang on, also so we can see. Right, what I've done, I've replaced this capacitor here, which is now right, because this was reading what? Should be a 0.1 UF, which equates to a 100 NF or thereabouts. Anyway, this one was reading 9.766 NF, so that's not right for a 1.1 UF, so that's been replaced. Scraps! Scraps, shut up, you shite! I've replaced that. And obviously I did these two electrolytics last night. And I've replaced put that there for a minute. I've replaced this one on top of the main transformer. Next thing to do is to I've still got this one here to replace, and I ain't got one. It's a 0.2 UF. Oh, hang on. Yeah, 0.2. I ain't got a 0.2. Don't think I have. Let's see what this one reads, because I might have to put it back in. But I need to check. I'm going to give him his jumbo in a minute, folks. He's miring for that. Just check this. Now I'll give it in a second, son. I'll just check this. Alright. $2.500. 2.500 NF. So that's probably okay. It's a bit high, but because I think it should be a 200 NF. So, and I haven't got a 200 NF. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick this one back in. I'm going to stick this one back in. Just get some solder on the joints. Stick this one back in. Because it's only in the tone circuit, so it shouldn't make a great deal of difference. Alright. Alright. Alright, I'm coming now. I'll get it for you now. Be back in a minute, folks. Just get him his jumbo, because I won't get any peas till he gets it. He gets one every day and he mivers until he gets it. I'll be back in a minute. Well, that'll keep him happy for all of a couple of seconds, folks. Right, let's get this other end of this capacitor soldered to that, and then we will do a test and see what we get. But just solder it on. There we go. That's on. Oh, hang on. That was just rolling on top of that wire there, it's alright. So that's everything out of the way there. Find the knob, put my on off knob on. place. Oh, that. So much tightening that up. Get that through far enough, did I? Let's try again, eh, folks? That's it. Let's move all this stuff out of the way, anything that can be detrimental to it fucking going bang. Probably fucking will anyway. Right, well I've done everything that I can think of. So if it doesn't work now, I'm going to be at a bit of a loss, to be honest. Let's just put the nuts back on the speaker to hold the baffle in place. There we go. It's tight. Solder the wires back on for the speaker. Much better. Yeah. There we go. Now, make sure that everything's out of the way. We don't want anything touching. Look okay. Just turn it round. Bring this output wire over the back here. Make sure we're out of the way of everything. Yeah, okay. That. We're going to need this. See if we can get any fucking form of life more than what we got out of it earlier. There we go. No. we're getting fuck all really. Right. Turn that off a minute. Pull that plug out a second. Oh, we're getting fuck all. Where's me clips? Where's me clips? Where's me clips? Because we're going to start hunting down voltages. Right, let's go on a voltage hunt. See what we can find. On voltage, DC, yes. Right, let's find me. Where did I put it? Put that up there. Put it in the middle. Right. We've got everything out of the way, no wires anywhere there shouldn't be. Right, them two there must be the heaters. And that one there is the HT in. Yeah, we've got 290 volts, 300 and odd. Yeah. We've got the 25 volts on here. Well, it doesn't mean it's 25 volts, could be a bit less. $118 there. What have we got on this capacitor? On this diode? Nothing. Why have we got nothing on that? Got nothing on that diode there, folks. Got anything on the other end of it? Where does the other end of that diode go? Got nothing on that diode. There's fuck all on that. Oh yeah, there is. Out there. So we're coming off the red. So basically, it doesn't look as though we're getting much off that fucking diode, to be honest. Why's my fucking phone gone off? Oh, there we go. Oh, 387. $351. We've got 351 going into that one. $352 on there. Now there. $136. See, I don't know what the voltages should be because there's no voltage chart for it. Would help if I could lift that up a bit higher. Would help if I fucking had my meter on view, I could see what I'm doing. 117 volts there. Nothing there. 1 volt there, well just under 2 volts. Nothing there. 20 volt, 2 volts there, 2.0. Four volts there. Alright. That valve should be red hot by now and it ain't. What colour wires have we got coming up to the transformer? Oh, there's fucking loads. if it's a problem with the transformer. Because we're getting the HT. The HT's running. You know, we're getting HT. Right. So why are we not getting fucking more at the fucking? It could be the valves. Valves could be fucked. Beginning to think that actually. Valves could be knackered. And I haven't got another one of those 6v6s. Well, I haven't got another one there, but they're both doing the same thing. Actually, let me change the valve, because the reason why I say that is because that valve could be fucked. It's not even getting hot, that's not even getting hot, and it should get warmer than that. It should be fucking, you shouldn't be able to touch the fucking thing. I've got another one here, but this is a fucking right. This is the one out of that tape recorder that I scrapped, that ferrograph. So whether this one's any good, let's find out. Let's turn it round. But we're getting the HT, just not getting the fucking, not getting anything at the fucking valves. That's all we're getting. Nowhere near enough there to drive anything. Bear with me a minute, folks. Right, so basically either both my valves are fucked or that other valve there's fucked. So basically it's either that or, you know. So, but we're getting we're getting HT, getting 300. We're getting 300 odd volts coming out of it on the HT. So the HT's working. I think it's the valves, to be honest with you folks. Shut up, Scraps, you've had your jumbo. We'll go and sit outside and get a bit of fresh air in a minute, so have a break. I think it's, I don't know. I think it could be the valves, but unless I can get two known good ones, I don't know. I'm just looking. I mean, just pull the plug out a minute because I would like to be sort of nearly safe. I'm just wondering. I mean, I wanted to just check that that point on the volume control wasn't poking through the. It's not shorting out through the to that other point there. It's not. So I'm wondering. If I take that capacitor off there, because that's the only one I haven't replaced. There we go. We'll float that. See if I get anything different to what I was getting before. You know, it's might not get any volume control, but might get full volume. You don't know what happens, so it's worth. No, didn't make a blind bit of difference. It warms up and stays there. So right, capacitor's not getting warm. Let's solder that back together because we know it's not that. Well, we don't know it's not that, we're just assuming it's not that, but just check me input wire, make sure I've not got a fucking short on the input, a partial short even, because that wouldn't help. Certainly kill the output, kill the input if that was the case. So let me just check, see if I've got a partial short on the input. I don't expect to find one. Don't expect to find one. No. And that's okay. That's okay. So we've got an issue. I'm going to have a break for a bit, folks. I'm going to sit outside with scraps and you know, get back to it later, I suppose. Yeah. I think I might have bought a bit of a lemon here, to be honest. It's not looking good. I've got a feeling. Alright, in a minute, son. Give me a minute. I mean, the valves wouldn't be in the wrong places, would they? I wouldn't have thought that. I just think, in a minute. Right. Alright, I'm coming. Right, I'll be back in a bit, folks. I'm gonna let Scraps out, sit outside and chill for about half an hour or so. Have a bit of a break from this, I think. I've just been upstairs to see how my neighbour is, Francis. I've not seen her for a few days, so went up and had a cup of tea with her. And basically had a bit of a chat, and I think to be perfectly honest with you, that the valves in this are fucked, or at least one of them is. So I think we're looking at obtaining valves, because all the voltages are there. As far as I'm concerned, I'm happy with the voltages. So I mean, we're getting voltage. Let's just have a look at the underside of the chassis. Oh, for fuck's sake. Hello, ER. Yes, I'm in. I was upstairs when you called. If you called, I was at Francis's. Okay. See you in a minute, mate. Bye. Bye bye. So basically, let me just wipe my glasses. So basically, it looks like valves. So I think this is going to be shelved for the time being, because I haven't got the valves for it. Right, we've got the HT. That's got to be negative, that side. Yeah, because that's negative side of the capacitor. And the HT comes into the audio valve here. But we actually have a few wires. Yeah, we've got the brown there. See where, right, they must be, oh, they're power in. Yeah, they're power in them wires to the on off switch. Yeah. So the just get me tools so I can maybe point a few things out. So basically the HT comes from the capacitor, goes into the transformer, we also have it coming to the anode of this valve here. That's got to be the anode there, because we've got 300 odd volts on that. Yeah, there's 300 odd volts on the anode. So what might be interesting, is to find out what's on the other side of that. I don't think I looked. Make sure everything looks okay. Yeah, 132 there. Oh, I want to see if it drops. What we got here? 352. $109 there. What about, yeah, so we've got 352 there. What we got here? Ooh. Now. How come we got an out there? Just turn it off a sec. Let's have a look where them. Oh yeah, we're okay. Hang on. So why? That's an interesting one. Oh, hang on. We've got this. Right, this is AC going in. $110 there. Nothing there because that's negative. One there. And out there. And out there. $109. Nothing. 2 there. Nothing. 128 there. 6 there. That'll be the heaters. No, it won't. It won't be DC heaters. Oops. Right. So I'm wondering if these valves are hot. Not as hot as they should be. They're barely running. That capacitor's cold. That capacitor's good anyway, it's on value. So basically, we've got no basically we're getting 130 there, 110 there. There's something pulling it down. But I don't know the voltages, and without the voltages there's not really much I can fucking do, to be honest. I don't know what the voltages should be. I mean, we're getting 300 up here. But we don't seem to be getting we don't seem to be getting any shift that fucking thing out of the way. It has 240 volts going fucking down the coming thing. We don't seem to be getting any. Right, so HT's coming off it. That's going to the.
Are you?
Yeah. Come in, Graham. Yeah. I'm just trying to sort out this piece of shit of a Dansette out.
Oh, fucking hell. I've had that fucking jukebox in bits, right?
Yeah, hang on.
Oh, listen to this. Oh, for fuck's sake. You come round, piece of shit.
Oh, you listen to that, I'll tell you what, more than 2 sniffs of that fucker in you, greedy.
I'm going outside, fuck you.
Hey, come here.
Fuck off.
Come here.
No, I'm not fucking coming in there, you shit.
Come here.
No, you smell.
Come here.
I'm fucking still here, that's far enough.
Well, it'll make its way there because the door's
I'll
open.
go outside, I'll walk away from it.
Here, come here.
See, I am not tasting that. You fucked it, that's what it is.
What?
That.
No, I haven't. What it is, someone's been at it before me.
I told you that. Well, you told me that.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm getting
one of yours or one of his?
No, mine. I've got high voltage all the way up to the valves, and then it fucking from Yeah, I think the valves are, I think one of the valves is fucked.
You must have a valve for that fucking thing.
I haven't. I've got one spare order. I've got one spare. That's the one out of it, and I've put a spare.
Got one you can try in it.
I have, yes. That's what I'm just gonna fucking say to you now. I took the one out of that scrap tape recorder there, which is the same one, and put that in it. But that doesn't make a difference. So I don't think that's the valve that's gone. I think it's the other one, and I haven't got another one of that number. So.
Well, you have to order one and buy one, won't you?
Oh no, I'm not fucking doing that. I'll put a transistorised damp in it because if I have to, I'll build a transistorised damp for it because the prices that these fuckers want for the fucking. I might ring Jay up, see if he's got one.
He might have one.
Yeah. Anyway, listen, folks. I'll catch you later. I've got to go out with Graham. Bye for now. Right. Well, we're back, and I've got a feeling that. We're getting. What I need to do, I need to find something a bit more in depth on this because, yeah, I'll be honest with you folks, I'm fucking struggling with it. This is a pain in the ass, this one. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to see what's on the top of that. I'll see if there's any voltage on the top of that cap on that valve. Don't think there will be. Where does that cap go? Let's have a look. Goes to the treble control. So I can't see there being any voltage on the top of that. But you don't know, there could be. So is there any voltage on the speaker? I doubt it. So is there any DC on the speaker? No. No. No DC on the speaker. So we're getting HT up there. Turn that off a minute. To be perfectly honest with you folks, I think it's valves. Because this is okay. I checked it and it's bang on, to be honest. Let's pull the valve and see what we get. Go around the pins. Nothing. V16. Nothing. 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 But we're getting 318 on there now, 319. Discharge is fast though, look at that. So let's turn it off, pull the plug out. Take that clip off. Take this valve out. I'm not putting my fucking fingers on that because you don't know, it's fucking no voltage on it with a meter, but you never know when you touch the bastard thing. Take the clip off. Right, let's pop the original one back in. I've got a feeling that the problem, and turn it on with no preamp valve in it. And see what we get coming up on it now. Clip my lead back on properly. Shut up! Put that back under there. Scraps! Bloody hell. Now, plug that in and see what we get on that valve. 143 now. And this one, 142. Nothing. Okay now. Four. So that's coming out of the transformer, and that wire goes to, that yellow wire goes to there. 9 volts. So we're getting 9 volts negative there. $10 actually. Yeah. Yeah, 10 volts. We're getting there. Without the valve in, we're getting nothing on that. Nothing there. Nothing there. $2 there. Right, are we still, what we're drawing on here? 136. And this one? 135. That valve in the otter. No. Right, well I'm going to leave it there for now folks, because I need to get on with doing them repairs and servicings for Phil, so I'm going to leave this for now and have a think. But I think that could be the problem, but I don't know. So we'll see. Yeah, if I so basically we know it's getting HT, and let's just say before I call it a day, folks, let me just check something. Right. 360 there. 353 there. So we come along. So we come off the capacitor there, we go to the the output transformer. We come off the output transformer. So we should be getting R360 going up to the output transformer. And this one we're getting 139. And just turn it off a minute. Right, this resistor, that's feeding it in. That's going to the capacitor. Oops. Right, so we've got, just pull the plug out a minute. We just have a look. Right, we've got so we've got 360 on the we've got 360 on this end of the diode, on this end of the resistor, and we've got 135 on this end. So basically, but I just don't understand it. I can't see it being the resistor, because the resistor, if we go back to ohms and we measure the resistor, it could be, but I doubt it. Go back to ohms. Clip on that side. $29K. $29.5. So I need to look the specs of these valves up. I need to look the specs. Really, I need the voltages for the amp, and they're not supplied. Not in what I've got here anyway. I need to... I'm going to leave it there for now, folks. I'm going to, because I'm going to have to... I'm gonna have to find I'm gonna have to try and find out what voltages should be going. There's something wrong somewhere. It's either the valves or there's some voltage is not right. But the HT is working. The HT is working because it's the HT is getting to the valves. It's just not a lot of it. I mean, I think there should be at least 200 volts at the anodes. You know. There should be at least 200 volts, and there isn't, so you know, I'm going to sort scraps out. I'm going to leave it there, and I'll catch you later, folks. Thanks for watching. I know this might have dragged out a bit, but you know, catch you later.